what's up, good people? It's your one and only favorite boy, Hoodie, hitting me up from the 32_South Muffins. You know what it is, you know what's up, from the Devon streets to the global stage, baby, let's go! 32 podcast. I'm not alone, I'm with my boy, to infinity and beyond. Boy, Abashalu Sugar.
Beautiful people, you already know what it do. What's the sweet Zamungane Zambango for base? It's your boy NASA underscore 969 to infinity and beyond. For the sky's not the limit, it's a mother if in beginning. That's it.
It is the beginning, indeed.
I mean, bro, you know, it is the beginning. We're still chilling at all times. So basically today on this episode, we have a very touchy subject with us. And in which it's stuff whereby a whole lot of gents don't really talk about. You understand? And,
they keep it inside them, and at some point, it creates a specific character out of a person. You understand?
True.
Now, my experience, if or perceive the world in a different perspective than what shit really is. You understand? But guys, so let's start this. Topic number one, my friend.
Address it first,
it's it. Hey, guys, when's our Okay, no. Oh, topic number one. We grew up without fathers, and it changed everything. It changed everything. The pain, the anger, the confusion, the search of approval. And then the last one is the silent struggles of fatherless sons.
We grew up with no fathers, so it kind of changed everything.
Yeah.
Hey dog, that's a very touchy one because as a gent, it's very important matter ukuthi ube nalo futhi umuntu ozohlala
efather.
You understand? Because matter ukhulela kwi-OLED kuphela and stuff like that. Kunaleyo nto ukuthi OLED obvious kwenza short ekuseni kunakekela nani mara uphuma ngaphandle with other gents you seem like a cheese boy.
Yeah.
You understand? You seem like umchito soft.
Yeah.
You understand? Like,
and to add on that, I feel like most of people just like me abakhuliswe OLED noma phese ngalona OLED kuphela, but like abantu besimama most of the time. You understand, surrounded by umamkhulu, OLED, auntie, you grow up dog in a soft hand. You understand, like ukhuliswa nje ngesandla phese siptep yonke into eyifunayo uyayithola. You understand, kanti neka makukho ni time mawukhula nje phela, especially mawuyinsizwa nje phela noma ungumfana uyawutinga uno thina besikhuliswa ama-OLED athi no.
mina toke mambomva akutshela kahle baba uno nika lami uvela ubona wathi asini ayishaye nika lami hayi ubaba me personally dog OLED idlalile both roles. I'm gonna be honest with you on that. As much as at some point, tough life, Marathon, come on, you out here. I meet niggas outside, niggas showing how to toughen up. Yeah, as I say, man, can't clear out there, baba. Yes, I was going to come, I was going to go, I'm don't
those your moms.
Dog, my mom's face was like, it's okay, cool. K-pop rolls, dog. And she did. I ain't gonna lie.
Dog that have that hand in terms of ukukhulisa umuntu, especially umuntu wesilisa, they understand ama roles ekufanele bawadlale.
Awuthi kulandela kancane. See with me.
Yeah.
Growing up, dog, ngisho ukuthi OLED be single mom all the way because mina ngikhuliswa step time, dog.
Yeah.
Step pops, shout out to my OG. So step time up until to a certain age. I'm saying I couldn't understand a whole lot of things, but as in cool and I'm okay. Relationships sometimes don't work out. And you understand. And then cool, I met my biological pops for the first time. I was living, dog. Okay, cool, met the nigga. Hey, the nigga was a Rolling Stone, my dog. So many Rolling Stone outside, can never send in one place.
Yeah.
Now understand a few things as cool. So at some point, I had no pops, but it's okay. And I would have it's okay. She would make memes at all times. But it changed a whole lot of things in me now. Why? Because I want marriage. I want to say, "Ole, I don't be protector now."
Yeah.
I don't be protector. About okay, number 1, 2, 3. Good, I have a win. But I protect. I mean, I'm publicity, and they know it. I said, I'm not wrong with right. Of course, why? I'm experiencing. I'm saying my phone. They're out there. I don't lie, dog. Made mistakes. Because if the corner, it's time. Why should we say, corner freedom, maybe so make sure you.
Yeah.
le ngiyithole kakhulu njengoba ngi-out there sengiba exposed kwizinto ey'ningi. You understand? Getting exposed to dog peer pressure shana bafethu.
True.
Lenye into-ke leyo futhi peer pressure. So if le freedom ngangithi ukuncishwa at that time, but nakhona I'm grateful ukuthi yazi nga-experience at that time. Ukuze ngazi sonke into inesikhathi sayo. Ngenze ngadlula kuyona ngiyazi right now at the same age. So right man ngishayela iplug yami phezulu. You know, I don't have to think about izinto ey'ningi peer pressure. I'm been there, done that, I'm good.
Ufuna siwele kuleyo ukuthi inkabi yami just like me as well, yabo? Because as much as i-OLED debate ngaba ne-soft hand, but kukhona ezinye nezinye zezinto azokunqanda kuzona. And ukunqandeni ingane ngeke unqande ingane ngento ihleke smart, you understand? So kuzofanele ube firm kwinto eyishoyo ukuze nentwana ibambe ukuthi hey ngathi ngizothola ishadisi emnandi ongithethela more.
Ngiyayithola futhi.
What I'm trying to say, dog, is I don't want to lie, yabo. I feel like, dog, like our moms play their part 100%. But lento lena nigga, I feel like njengoba sikhula njengabafana at some point iba nama effects, understand, aba permanent, especially kule generation esiphila kuyona. Because back then, bro, ukuthi unali time awunalo, but omakhelwane bobaba bakhona, omalume, they play that role, nigga. You understand? Because akugcine ekhaya, boy. You need fatherhood nase-rounding. You understand? Yes. And zonke lezo zinto lezo right now, bro, siyayileka. Because yazini umalume sibu no,
look at it this way, dog. Everybody has a story to tell. Everybody has a story to tell. When now, when seven is a local, it's okay. This is an excuse as to why now I'm falling under pressure. Or you could use that as your fuel to gas you up, which I don't want to look like them. I don't want to end up like them. So you can look at it two ways. Come by now when it's okay, how you use your mind, how your perspective of you and how then.
Okay, but that comes with choices and where you want to see yourself in the nearest future. You understand?
Everybody has a choice.
You understand? But bro, engizamubusho mina ukuthi fethu leyanto leyani is destroying ngeinto ezincane poison. You understand? Like nje as umphakathi as a whole. Because manje yazi manje fethu uma ukuthi uthatha ukubheka ngisho into ezincane dog out of respect bro ayisenzeki. Uthi fethu udlule stopini izintwana ezincane mhlawumbe kwehla ugogo etaxini uphethe izintwana zibhemela like a cigarette or something. You understand?
I was exposed to a whole lot of things.
Okay.
But right now where I'm standing, dog, trust me, trust my dog. Oh, I've seen a lot.
Yeah.
It's tough. And I'm also
I'm sure but didn't have it done more.
Samsekuthele emobeni size sivule umoba mathe kuyazithi room 1 lona phela no batambama soshayela ugreen phela pekuteni okusashaya ugreen to asingazi izinto skepekhe
inkabi yami yazi mina inkinga engangenayo yini ke inkabi yami angazi kahle ukuthi yabona meke ngakuthinta anything ngisho dog like liquor dog I couldn't brew alcohol ngizophela so ngakhula nginaleyo fear le nginaleyo fear so today ezinye zezinto angikaze ngi-experience out of that, you understand?
The freedom dog about too much freedom too much freedom without certain type because yabo matter nanto ghost yabo makuzingani ungayikhuzi ngendlela okuthini because kunalento ukuthi umuntu bamkhuza avela afuna ukuthi awuthi ngizwele mina why
ungikhuzelana
because matter yabo into okutshontsha imnandi bafethu ungeze kuthiwani.
Okay. On why young men feel lost, dog. The pressure, the pain, the purpose never finds out, dog. It's never found. Like the purpose, proof
why they seem to feel lost.
Yeah. Okay, firstly, I feel like any into as to leading to that is we don't really get like a support. I understand. Like I feel like abantu abaningi even nasemakhaya ukuthi-ke ezinye izinto kufanele uyi-understand ukuthi yabo abazali bethu bakhule ngesidala, so ezinye nezinye zezinto bayi-understand.
Yazi abantu abadinga masifuna ukushaya i-support masosibona leyo
ilaba ababona khona ukuthi umsebenzi vuka ngosha u-6 to 5 indaba ukuthi wena uyavuka mhlampe like us we content creators shaya i-content efethi leyo nto yakho le hey hamba usebenza hamba ufunda, you understand, which is a good thing, but engizama ukusho nikho ukuthi ibuye izivale, because once ukhona into ngisho ngathiwa ngifisa kanjani ukuthi ngiyenze ngangayitholi approval kumzali kuba nzima, asifani njengabantu futhi kuba nzima ukuthi uyiphushe ngendlela ekahle.
Mathatha ukubheka another thing that makes Gents feel lost, dog. Environment okhulele kuyona, growing around people,
and your circle as well.
Growing around people whereby ukucabanga kwabo it's just inside the box, dog. They don't think outside the box. So naloko it kills dreams, dog. Because you have a whole lot of people at church saying, "Mina phethe ngekhathi zami, I was this that." Oh, that's okay, bro. You could have been bigger than that, too. Yabo, bro, uthathe lapho, it's okay. Azini, the dreams have died. When you usubuka lokho uthi azini mina ngamaphupho, I'm thinking outside the box. Leave your comfort zone.
Yeah.
Leave your comfort zone, because in the process lenzayo, we want to find ourselves looking at the outside part. And in order to find yourself, you gotta look within.
Yeah, you firstly start to
the word.
Fix the inner shine. I understand. Before
you say construction crew, easy. We kind of way in that dog.
But leading yabo success kule topic futhi ngalami ethi they would say like ngoba singena obaba like isandla sabe empilweni zethu ne cost leyo shandisi leyo, because manje ihambi is impact nama relationships esinawo abantu esibambana la kwezinye bo ungabe isoko ubeni kodwa khona ezinye izinto okufanele uyifundiswe abantu abadala noma uyibone kubona negalami ukuze understand ukuthi into ihamba kanje. Firstly imshado ayisekho, uyayibona it's fucking
samanje, dog.
You understand? Dog yini elida kuyo yonke leyo nto leyo nika ayicela manje thina siyibona si-on siyashaya sidlule shaye ngale sidlule shaye sibe nengane ezo5
uvume round ingane la kade uthatha ukubheka moshe isikhathi sami ngaphethoke lenyunga be investment sibe online long term.
Ziyakhula lezi ngane lezi nika ngoba ikhula and all of abaningi khona all of
abaningi sesikole sicaba maFootman dothi Footman uvale ingane engaka bothe uvunyiwe usimani bani izondene kukumele level obviously uzofuna ukudlala igame la
ngithi yabona yokuqala leyo poison. Secondly into yokuthi bro khona phethu ezinye izinto kufanele uzizwe phethu nangobusofu ukuthi zenziwa kanjani. Okokuqala nje abantu abadala kufanele ngabe sibonela kubona omalume obaba ukuthi umuntu wesimama uphathwa kanjani. Finito she don't know